unboxing today from a cherry on top, and I ordered this a while ago. Then I went on vacation, so I have no idea what's in it. Let's be surprised together. All right, so I do know what's in here. You know, something that I need. Like I needed another hole in the head, which is paper. I ordered a lot of paper, and I don't typically do that, but the new Bo Bunny line came out, and the new Heidi Swapp line came out, and I just couldn't resist, and it was also beautiful. So that's what a lot of this order is. We'll go through the little bits first, and then we'll look at all the papers. So this is from the new Bo Bunny line, and they are gorgeous turquoise doilies, and I've been using doilies for a minute, although I'm not gonna lie, they do look different than I expected them to, but they're beautiful, and I'm gonna use some doilies. We have some Technique Tuesday coming up, and we're focused on embossing. So I got this new embossing folder from Alta New. It has like these gorgeous sleeves. I would call it fronds of some sort, and I have a big idea of what to do with them. It has something to do with this as well. I saw on our design team Jenny use these, and I cut them, and I was immediately obsessed and said I had to have those, and then they were out of stock, but they came back in stock and I had to grab some because they are stunning. She just did like, I think black, but I'm not a big colorer, so I love like the outline look and then die cutting them. So I'm gonna be using those with that. I got this Gina K foam tape. It's black foam tape, and I bought this because I did a flip book. I showed you a few videos back that I've started a flip book for one of our trips, and Jess has a really great video on a Cherry on Top YouTube channel. I can't talk today, sorry. And she shows you how, when you jam pack your flip book, how to add this black foam tape to make it look all like the same level of book. So it's like chunky on this side and this side, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do her little trick with that. Speaking of, I have a lot of 6x8 page protectors. However, when you get a flip book, you need this gutter because it's a post bound, and so the post goes here, and then it has like a little lip or an overhang. So in order to allow the pages to flip well, you need to have this gutter, and the old school 6x8 pocket pages that are not for snap flip books do not have this gutter. They're just like the page and then the little bit with the holes. So that is why I have ordered some of these to go in my flip book. So I like, you know, the main page and then these pages, and this one has multis, so it has like the 3x4s or 2 4x6s, and I just got like a good assortment of those. And then I got the Heidi Swapp puffy stickers from the new collection, which is called well, what's it called? Who knows? I don't know. Do you know? We'll know in a second. Let's get these out. And I'm gonna have to go back and get some ephemera and stuff, but it was taking too long to come. So it is called Sun Chaser. So I tried to refrain because I have so much paper, but it's just so cute, and it's so perfect for summer or just anytime really. But look at these little citrus fruits. Cannot get enough. So cute. Always love a good star. Super great. Oh my gosh, look at that heart. I wish I bought 2 of these. Maybe I didn't. We'll see. That's good. Good words and some dots. More dots. Lovely. Oh, I love, love, love this. Sun Chaser is the name of this collection. More stars. Can't get enough. Super love this like rainbow thing. Some stripes and a really gorgeous beach scene. Love this bright yellow. It's a unique color yellow, but Heidi has used this before in some other of her collections, and it's really fun. Love this, kind of like a sun over horizon with a sunset. Love. A ledger paper in a really beautiful, just abstract piece. Another really beautiful abstract. And a pink ledger. Gotta love that. There's a lot of papers in this collection. I think I got one of everything. Not sure. This is the cut apart, and I love that her cut apart is not just 3x4s. They're like all kinds of things, like little tags, itty bitties, all sizes. I like that. This one is a stripe, which is very quintessentially Heidi, as well as some cacti, pink cacti. Love that. There's again another one of those really good yellow colors with a rainbow, a sketchy rainbow, and a beautiful rainbow stripe. This one is really good, and some black writing, because we all love Heidi's writing, right? I do anyway. Some pink polkas, and some more cut aparts. Again, the different sizes, which I love. Like a lot of papers in this collection. More rainbows, some birds. Not a big bird fan, but I do like this paper. I'm afraid of birds, but they're okay to use in scrapbooking. And a rainbow heart paper. We have some messy grid paper and a beach scene. I like this, just really kind of like distressed pink background. Ooh, again, I have a soft spot for citrus, I think. Love those stripes. This is a good collection. Bravo, Heidi. Brava, Heidi. It's fabulous. The little signs, so cute. We have some clouds, some sunset clouds, and a gingham. We have some turquoise tiger print, because why not? And some fun half circles. We have a really great messy background with turquoise and some words. We have a sunburst in the same fun colors as the whole collection with some polka dots. And then I think that's all from Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser. So I think these are, okay, yes. So these are Bow Bunny beautiful things, and they are beautiful. So this is a really fun messy grid, and then a really beautiful navy blue sketchy floral. I don't know, that's gorgeous. So this is navy blue as well. The fleur-de-lis, but not, I don't know what you call that, a damask. And this is turquoise and navy, which is a really gorgeous combination. I love that. These doilies are fabulous on this, like, it's a Victorian peach color. Ooh, I love this. And you got the epidemiology, is that the right word? Entomology. I don't know what epidemiology is. Don't listen to me about that. Entomology with the bugs. I like that vintage bug look. This is a really great coral piece, and a really good bright red on top of the coral. We have another sketchy grid with some really pretty florals, and those dots are fabulous. I really like those watercolor dots. That's a fun, really colorful background. Ooh, I love that. Those hot pink stripes with some florals and some butterflies. We have this like peachy yellow leafy one, and then I love these butterflies here. Lots of butterflies. I think I got 2 of these because I just can't get enough of this. This is stunning, and that's really beautiful too. Almost done. This is a ticket page with a couple doilies around the edges. Ooh, love, love, love. Love this black and white butterfly. Definitely going to be using that soon. So we have some polkas, and we have a cut apart, which are small squares. I think these are going to be, yeah, they're going to be 3x3 squares. Those are fun. And a pink with floral, and those are really great sketchy colored lines. And then these are, what are these? Like raspberries, I guess? Raspberries. And a really fun black and white. There's a little bit of grid and some music notes behind that. So that is my cherry box, not my cherry box, but that's my last order from Cherry on Top. So that's fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching so much. I'm going to put my affiliate links down below if you would like to go shopping. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.